Let's try something a bit more challenging. We'll paint a flower field from imagination using a complementary palette of orange and blue. Start with a wash of primarily orange. Once the background is semi-dry, add the midground with washes of lavender and blue, varying your brushstrokes to suggest different types of vegetation. When the midground is fully dry, use a small or detail brush to paint the foreground. Vary your brushwork to create trees, grass, flowers, and foliage, making them uniquely your own. Now, let's do it one more time.